They're not here. They're not here, but they're very well informed. This is their logo, and this is the counterpart of the Liturgy of Praise Youth Ministry of the YAC. That's why they have a Bible, because it's almost the same. And of course, the mission statements and everything else that's in that folder. This is basically they seek, they discover, and they share the living Word of God. Next one is the ACSC, the Ambassadors for Christ of Social Communications. ACSC will be headed by Sister Marvi and Brother Ruben. I don't know if you remember them, but they are willing to revive the group as they are the counterpart of the production team of the PRT. Also, they have to adapt. I'd like you to meet this one. This is pretty cool. The Ambassadors for Christ of Sharing Sacrifice and Sacrifice, or the ACSS. Will lead the group in prayer, reflection, and heartfelt fellowship. This is their tandem with the YPLM, the Youth of Peace and Love Ministry. A round of applause to Sister Eunice. The ACEF, the Ambassadors for Christ of Evangelization and Truth. This is, katumbas nila na mga CYBS, kaya they have the petition. And this person is always longing for the truth, of course, always want to evangelize. I've known this person for a while, and kasama ko siya for about a couple of years now. And when it was first asked about it, kung sabi niya agad is, okay, I'm good to go. Let us help him by prayers to bring Christ closer, other people closer to Christ. And I'd like you to give a round of applause to Brother Joel. Alam naman nila yan. So under the leadership of the new president of ACCS, this is more than just a choir. And he knows this. Brother Isaiah. So this is, siya ang magiging head ng buong YMAC.